Hello student. Chapter number 7, congruence of triangle. Okay. In that we discussing about different type of criterion. Okay. Now here I made some diagrams. We will study it. Okay. And I will show you how to write that one. Okay. Look here. In first one, two triangle ABC and PQR are given. Okay, you just write down first the congruence, means corresponding pairs, and then just show according to which criterion they are congruence. Okay, look, first one, in that the three sides are corresponding sides are congruence. So according to that one, AB congruence to, look, AB and PQ are equal. AB congruence to PQ. Otherwise you just write down AB equal to PQ. Okay. Second one is BC and QR are equal. Both are 4 centimeter. So BC congruent to QR. Okay. Otherwise write down BC equal to QR. And AC and PR are equal. So AC equal to PR. So these are the sides. Okay. One side, two side, and three sides. So here three sides are, corresponding sides are equal. That means according to SSS criterion, triangle ABC congruence to triangle PQR. You just write down that one. Okay. Now sometimes the triangles are not given, but the criterions are given. So according to that one, what to do? First you just draw two triangles. Okay. If measurements are given, you just take that measurements. Otherwise, draw a rough figure. First one is XYZ. So XYZ. Now look here. XYZ. In that XY and MP are equal. Means XY. So that time here M and P are there. XY and MP. YZ equal to PN. YZ equal to PN means here PN. So XY and MP are equal. Then YZ and PN are equal. So YZ and PN are equal. And XYZ M and P are equal. Okay. So three sides are equal. Okay. Then you just write down criterions. XY equal to MP. Then YZ equal to PN. Then XZ equal to MN. Okay. So triangle XYZ congruence with. Now just write down according to this one, XYZ. Same here, MPN. Triangle MPN. Okay. Look, one more figure here. In that figure, SP equal to PO means these two sides are equal. Okay. And ST equal to OT. ST and OT, these two sides are equal. Now here one quadrilateral is there and one diagonal is given. Okay. So look here, SP equal to PO, which is given. Okay. Then ST equal to OT, that is also given. And in these two triangle, look, they are SPT, means SPT and OPT. OPT means these two triangle. Here one and these two triangle. They are having one common side. PT is common in both one. Two triangles are there. The diagonal divide into two triangle and two triangles are there and one is common. So here you just write down PT equal to PT. That is common side. Which is common in both one. Okay, so one side, two side and three side. So both triangle having three sides, the common sides means equal sides. Okay, so here according to SSS criterion. Okay, triangle, look, SPT congruence to. Look, SP, same sign is here. So start with here. O. O, then same sign here. So you just move in that direction. OPT. Triangle OPT. They are congruents. Okay. Same here. Look. In this one, check which part are common. So here AT, okay, to equal to DO. Then CA equal to GO. Okay, two sides is given, and angle between that two side means included side, that included angle. Okay, angle between that two side, this one is given. So angle A, that is equal to O. Angle O means here one side, two side, and one angle is given, and that is included that one means middle of that one. So according to two side and middle angle, you just write down angle at middle side, middle angle, according to SAS criterion, triangle, they are CAT congruent with, that is from here. Okay, C, this one C is congruent with G, O with A, so GOD, triangle GOD. Okay, they are congruents. Same here. Look, in this one, which two sides and angles are equal? So here we write down. Look, AO here, two triangles having two lines in intersect here. So O is intersecting point. So according to, look, it's given OA and OC are equal. So AO equal to OC. AO otherwise OA. Okay, equal to OC is given. Then BO and OD, they are equal. You just write down here, that is given. Okay, now only two pairs are given. Now check, okay, our angles property. Look here, when two intersecting lines are there, so opposite angles are always equal. Okay, so angle AOB equal to angle DOC, because why they are equal? Intersecting line, opposite angle, so they are calling vertically opposite angles. Okay, so they are equal, vertically opposite angle. So this one is side, side and angle, and that is middle of these two side. Look, two side, and that is included middle of that two side. So here according to SAS criterion, okay, two triangle AOB congruent with, look, one means AO is equal to CO. So here we start with AO. So you just take CO first. So that is equal to COD. Okay, they are equal. Same here. Look, in quadrilateral MNOP, MN equal to PO is given, and angle POM and OMN are equal. Okay, so MN equal to OP, then angle POM, this one POM equal to angle OMN, okay, which is given. Just write down here, given. Okay, now look, in this triangle MOP, one triangle, and OMN, second triangle, they are having one common side. When the common side is given, that time you just write down same side here, OM equal to OM, because that is common in both one. So write down common side. Okay, so one side, angle and side. So according to SAS criterion, they are congruents. Okay, triangle POM congruence to NMO, triangle MNO. Okay. Now here look, which the criterions are means measurement of which parts are given. Here two angles and one side is given. Okay, so write down. First one is angle MNP, otherwise you just write down N. Angle N equal to angle Y. Then angle P equal to angle Z, and NP equal to YZ. So that is angle. Angle here side is given. Okay, and that side is between these two angle. Okay, so according to two angles are there and included side means between side is given. So according to ASA criterion, triangle MNP congruence with triangle XYZ. Okay, same here. Look, these two angles are equal means angle X equal to angle Z. Okay, WX equal to ZY. Angles and side we are given. Okay, now look, these two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so angle WOX equal to angle ZOY. When in a triangle, if two angles are equal, when the two angles are equal, so third one is always equal because total is 180. So if measurement of two angles are equal, so third one is always equal. Okay, so angle W equal to angle Y, they are also equal. Now two angles and one equal side is equal. So according to two angles and included side means ASA criterion, they are equal. Okay, so you just check our criterions. We are having four criterions: SSS, then SAS, then ASA, then RHS. Okay, so when the sides and angles are given, you just check it properly. Only one side is given. Okay, and if no common sides are there, that time you just check the angles properly. Okay, if only one angle is given, you just check the properties of angle, and second one is equal and two angles are equal, so third one is also equal, and then you just compare them. Okay, check the criteria and then write down according to which criterion they are congruence. Okay, and last one here, look, two angles are there. In that one, you just check it properly. Okay, suppose A, B, C, D and E, and you just check the ABC and CDE. These two triangles are congruent or not. Okay, let me check. Look here, AC, okay, and EC, BC and CD, and two angles are equal. Okay, so first angle B equal to angle D. Okay, then AC equal to EC, this one, and BC equal to CD. These two are, sorry, ED. BC equal to ED, 5 centimeter. They are equal. Okay, so that one is angle. This one is AC is one side, and this one is also one side. Now check the two side and include angle is there? No, that is not there. Okay, then check it properly. The angle, that is right angle, so right angle is there. AC is hypotenuse, that is H, and one side is there, H. So here according to RHS criterion, triangle ABC congruent with ABC. Okay, A means this angle, that is equal to, okay, C here. Okay, so triangle CDE, they are congruence. Okay. From in next lecture we solve exercise 7.2. We just revise all these sums one more time. Okay. Thank you.